Hi everyone, this is me, your sunshine girl, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome to my channel. I sometimes upload videos on skincare, sometimes on makeups and other stuffs. But basically my channel is all about doing skincare, self-care, leading a healthy lifestyle and blah blah. So my today's video will be about morning skincare and a very simple basic daily makeup. Well, it's almost 12 o'clock and I have already taken my breakfast. Well, I'm saying this because you should not do your morning skincare just after you wake up. Like try to have your breakfast, try to do some morning healthy activities, drink enough water, and then give you some times and then you start your morning skincare, and it should be very much simple. Talking about my skincare, it's very much normal, very much simple, just the go-to morning skincare we all do, like washing our face with water or with a face wash, and then using a moisturizing cream, then using a sunscreen, and that's it. Like nothing much more difficult. Okay, so let's go and start our steps. Well, I have washed my face with just normal temperature water, and now I will just like moisturize my face and then I'll be okay. And for face moisturizer, I'm using this very very normal, my daily go-to moisturizer cream, which is Dove moisturizer cream. So I'm just taking a little bit on my hand and then it will be ready to apply. I use this moisturizer for daily basis. I mean, in morning, at night, after I wash my face. So this is for like very normal and suitable for any kind of face. So you can use it without any hesitation, and also if you have like normal to dry skin, then it's one of the best, I think. This is the sunscreen which I use, but now I will not use this because I'm staying at home, so why like unnecessary dragging the video. So let's move to the lip balm. This is the Vaseline which I use for my lip and for my under eye massage. So just taking a little bit and applying it on my lips. Now let's just have it for my eye massage. If you are staying at home and going nowhere, then I guess that this is it. I mean, of course this is it, but I have washed my face with just normal water, but you can use your face wash. But I just felt today that I don't need any face wash, and that's why I just ignored that part. And then there are many more things you can do. Sometimes I use aloe vera for my face massage. Sometimes I use some face packs. I will use that on my next video, and also my plan was to show you my very normal simple daily go-to makeup, but I think that not today, because this video is enough for like this topic, as I am in my channel after a long gap. Like I guess that 2 or 3 months have been passed, and I'm here on my channel again. So let's make it pretty simple, not that much with so many stuffs in the video. And yeah, do pray for me so that I can continue regularly in my channel. I don't know why this happens with me, that I got distracted every time from my channel. So I hope you all like my video, and if you like my video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, live happily. Okay, bye.